Hi, my dear friends. Hi, Emma. Hey, I need to ask you guys a favor. Please pray for my niece Jessica. She's in the hospital in UCLA. They think her body might be rejecting a liver transplant that she just got a few months back. And we need your prayers. Thank you so much. And sorry I haven't been around. I just don't have a reliable machine or phone to do anything on. I'm surprised this is letting me make this long of a video. Yes, I will give her snack. Yeah? Did you want a snack? Huh? Oh, is that what you want? Really? Oops, I just threw that right off, didn't I? Oops, that's a good thing. You like it when I get extras out. Hey, is that what you want, baby? Oh. Meow. 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 I gave her a snack earlier, but that was before the sun came up. Anyways, I love you all. Please give Jessica some prayers today. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, my brothers and sisters. I love you very much. Praying for you always. Remember, Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. Quit clawing me. Ow! Oh, no more biting my fingers. You're just going to claw me, huh? Okay, here. Oh, get off my leg. Get off my leg. Oh, there you go. I got that one off. There you go. Yeah. There you go, baby. I love you all. You have a great day. Remember, Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. Be honest and lift one another up. Bye for now.